want to do you know? NEWLINK on the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK. Attack.
Bless up, my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, you know. You don't know, so the attacking boss is here, the one and only NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. And I mean, say attack. So my viewers and my subscribers, me I tell you know, say, I'm tired of talk to the eye them. You understand? I'm tired of talk to the bridging them. So look here, the man. You're in a relationship. Things now work out. You know a fuss. You know a fight. You see happen one time. You see happen two times. Don't make you reach the third time. You know what I mean? You better you go seek help or you know just separate yourself. But some man, them not listen and them not understand. You see me? You with a woman, bro. Me tired of telling you. And if you feel so the woman that give her the pum, right? Then you not fi fight over that, bro. Be gracious if you find out, you know. Be thankful you find out, you know. So you can move on, you know, bro. And if you have even suspicious of something go on, you know. You bro, talk to the woman. But you see, the heap of fussing, the heap of fighting, bro, it can lead to many consequences. You know what I mean? That's why I always talk to the eye them. No one is perfect. Nobody not perfect. You see me? Especially when you're caught up in this thing called love or obsession. Because when me see them things happen where man a take out woman in a relationship, you know, woman a take out man, you know. Me not consider that love, you know. Me call that obsession. You know what I mean? Real obsession, me call it. Craziness. Zin? Because now, my people, a Jamaica mother now have to mourn the loss of her daughter over in Florida now. You see me? Yeah, a daughter gone at the age of just 29. And with this whole incident, my people, is where like other people, you know what I mean? Like, things never good. So on Monday, she get the news of people. This Monday, God, you know, say, her daughter passed away. You get me? And just as she talk to her daughter on the Sunday. On the Sunday when she talk to her daughter, it's like she can't see, you know what I mean, a big old coke up on her forehead. And like her daughter say, Mommy, make deal with her, the police them there and them we. And then soon she gets more information. So the person in a police custody pertaining to who put the coke, did they? Which she suspect say her daughter boyfriend, my people. As me tell her, she's just 29 years old. The girl not living a life yet. And when I go through social media, I see a lot of people are mourning and I say, yo, and I send out them condolences to the family and I say, yo, Tully call her, them call her Tully or Trish. You know what I mean? Them say she used to work at FedEx over there in Florida. So a lot of her staff and crew member them must send out condolences. You know what I mean? Customers and them thing there. Because, yo, some I now listen. So basically, them must say the police have no one in custody pertaining to this. But my thing is, my people, Zin, what may I say? Them say them not nobody in custody. But the Sunday, you know, she report somebody, you know what I mean? I don't know what the report is, but she report this whatever, boyfriend, whatever. You know what I mean? Her ex. And then now, the Monday, them find her, you know what I mean, in her apartment, dead. With them say, a trauma thing, you know what I mean? So like, basically she get knocked or something, people. Then that nothing tell you, say, you know what I mean, man? You don't need, you get what I'm saying, my people? Jaja sees, Jaja knows. Me feel it. The mother of fear moan right now. You see me, some on the boy, me telling us now straight attack phone, you know, because you know now listen. Eh? Look how much pum out there in the world. And figure, make one pum make you go to prison. And where you take the girl life? Where she a do? Where she do decide say she a left you? Where she do decide say she want to move on with her life or something? Because basically me hear say she used to live over there. Her mother based in New York. See? She used to stay over there in New York, but she moved on to Florida. I'm not sure if she moved on to her boyfriend or if she tried to separate from her boyfriend over there in New York. You know what I mean? But she moved on to some people. I do her work and thing. Her mother say, most of the days them, you see me, she that just come check her and them chill and that them together. It's like her ride or die. Her main, you know what I mean? She have other kids, but she was the main, like, you know, say sometime in a people, parents have a connection to one of them kids more than the next one. And I like them to love that one day, whatever. I love all of them. But you know, there's just a difference between that one day. So she basically, mother basically say she was the, you know what I mean, was that type of person there. And if you tell us that something like this happen now, man. Eh? A wickedness. Some of uno boy, as me I tell you, me tired of talk to you. Lord, the woman, them make them live, bro. You see? Lord, them make them live. You see me? And the woman, them, who want to take out man because of relationship and them thing, the Lord, the man, they make them live. You understand? A whole heap of body out there too. See them with your pum pum there, a whole heap of body out there too. You know what I mean? Some of yo, Jaja sees, Jaja knows. So let me just read a quick article, my people. Not so quick still, because, you know what I mean? And just explain to you where the mother explain her side to this whole thing and how she feel about the passing of her daughter. So let me just read it. Colette Gaynor traveled in great despair last evening from New York to Florida, in the United States, US, where today she will have the unveilable task of positively identifying the body of the second of her 4 children, 29-year-old Trishana Vonine Tully. Tully was found dead with apparent signs of trauma Monday evening at her apartment in Orange County, Florida, authorities said. So today after doing this recording, the people, on Friday, you see me, November the 1st, 2024, you see me? Gaynor, who resided in Marvelous St. Andrew during an emotional video call yesterday, told news that she last spoke to a physically abused Tully on Sunday. Gaynor said her daughter did not express fear of anything, but that she had been facing domestic violence issues in recent times. On Sunday, when I video called her, I saw a big cocoa swelling over her head. She said, "Mommy, I called the police and the police is here, and I leave her to talk to the police. After the police leave, I asked her what is it, and she was explaining the whole situation." Gaynor said before indicating that she had been told by the police that an individual had been taken into custody up to yesterday evening. However, there was no official police report identifying a suspect. Gaynor, who recently migrated from Jamaica to New York, told news that she expected to land in Florida late Wednesday. I will identify her body tomorrow, Thursday morning, as soon as possible, she said, before crying inconsolably. She, Tully, leave Florida to come to New York just to be with me for a couple of days. She just went back to Florida Friday. Trishana was my ride or die. Trishana was there for me every time I need her. When I want go nowhere, and me and her go, a tearful Gaynor said. Gaynor told news that the dreadful news was relayed to her by Tully's manager at FedEx, where she was employed. Her manager sent me a message that she heard it on the news. I spoke to her earlier up in the afternoon. So when I tried to call her back in the afternoon, I am not getting through to her. So I called everybody to check on her to see what is happening, because she is not answering the phone, Gaynor said. She told news that she asked a friend of her daughters to file a report at the police station. When the manager texted me and said that she not getting her, and she saw the news, she asked me, is it true? Question. And I said, I don't know. I don't hear anything. I calling her from yesterday and not hear her. And she sent me a screenshot of the news, Gaynor said. She described her daughter as a fun and loving person. She went above and beyond. Anybody call her for any assistance or anything. If she is there, she not tell you no. She will give you her last. She is very helpful. She always a smile no matter what, Gaynor said. Grief-stricken relatives and residents gathered at their Marvelly home listening on the interview with eyes swollen from crying. Tully's sister Nika Dede Gaynor said she lost her while she was on a recent visit to Jamaica. My people, as me I tell you, say, a wickedness, a cruelness. See me? And you know the glass, if you say, the boy, I don't know if the boy or ex or a man, my people. Do it. And a straight attack for that. You see me? Make the woman live, bro. What's so? Me understand, say, you know what I mean? The pum pum can sweet. The head where you get can nice. You see me? Or if she take care of you and spend on you, and then maybe things now work out and she decides to look at me done. I want to move on. I finish. I'm tired right now. I get bun. And she decides that she done. But you decide say she can't left you. For what reason? You have rope tie or something? Come on, man. You're in a relationship. You see me? Enough for reach this up. Until this happen. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. My people, all me can say. It's a tough one. You understand? Really tough one. And me just send out my condolences to all the family. You know what I mean? Especially to her mother. Because I know her mother got through a lot right now. And hope she get the right justice what she forget. And me say a straight attack For any boy, my people say, look at a man, whether marriage, whether in a relationship, boyfriend, girlfriend, something. You see me? Fight and start and them thing that yo let it go. Just go try seek help, seek counsel. If that not work, just move on, bro. As me tell you, life are the greatest. You see me? Life are the greatest. Sometimes all you're doing is just need some time by yourself to get yourself together, you know. You see me? Get some time for yourself. Sometimes you're in a really, look here, separation, you know, or time for yourself. That means you're left, you know. But it's just time to fix yourself and get your life together. Get your life on track. Because sometimes, brother, you either man or woman, they may go through some type of depression. We not even know some type of stress. You see me inside, and it been affecting you, and you don't even realize. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. But people, big up on yourself. More love, more respect, and more blessings. And thank you for the love and for the support and for the like and the share and every comment of people. And just remember to do like, do share, do comment, and do subscribe. You want to give a contribution to the channel, my people? Please do so. You understand? Check below for the PayPal link and give your support. Thank you, people. Peace out. Justice. Justice.